Today I'm going to show you camera flash effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is a normal video footage. Then I will create a adjustment layer. Go to new item and click adjustment layer. Here is the sequence setting. Then OK. Leave it the top up layer. And we will go effect and search Pro Camp. Leave it the effect adjustment layer and go to effect control. Increase brightness like 90%. Then we will cut it one frame ahead and delete the adjustment layer. You can play it with sound effect if you want. Then play the video. Copy it if you want to use it repeatedly. Press Alt and copy again. Then play the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.